Hello guys, use my phone Vivo V23E. This version 8GB RAM memory and 128GB ROM memory. Open box and look complementation. Device. Okay, the wave blue color. Protected back cover. Instructions. Headphones, adapter for charging, and USB Type-C cable. Okay, turn on device. On this side we have power key, volume keys. On this side without controls. Back side triple camera LED, glass backs. Okay, very good design we have. Downside USB Type-C port and device without headphones jack, slot for 2 nano SIM cards. Okay, open Geekbench 5. Display. We have Full HD Plus AMOLED, Android 11, Helio MediaTek MT6781, Helio G96, GPU Mali G57, resolution and display PPA. Look results, CPU tested and GPU test results. Okay, good results, and look at the benchmark results. Very good, close this. Run the main game GTA San Andreas, look how this game works on the device. Game works perfect on the maximum graphic level, without lags and glitches. Very good gameplay. Close this. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.